man can't find it, Ebeka. As soon be one man, and the Pegache Christus, I won't man. It is impossible. No! I need to see a giant sassy way. Emma unbelievers. Now, really, Unyankopon, Uncrofo. I was saying, you choose because when you mean you choose, Nipa be decided. But Unyankopon will choose. Intermediate, Sir Christopher, name by Argenia. Fashion to say, and your bonnet. So, Obura, and man yourself, and your bonnet. I may send choose for floor. This time, I am on mine and Cotraba, Miami choose. I am on mine to Abano, or choose wrong one. When Miami choose, and to Saul, any choice. But David, a choice. And to choose what choose 7 December, choose Onyankopon choice. Where in your politics? Where you are may shares here and or may impede and once an American. A dear darkness, overshadow light. Oh, your time. So only group be Mpenin choose several head. I just saw a group be. If you are not with Freemason, for instance, Mama Yankees had you we Christians. Nayan choose Mama Mayan corrupted assassin. You know what's the media man Nipamba? Let us say, na Christians send you one upper hand. So assume our majority, our spiritual parliament house are Christians. Christians do so. I tell soon be our assassin. It is I am Russia with the fear. Yea, and I am majority. Now, and other ones say so minority. And the end was your choose. Then was your deciding. And your minority. Now, Christians and your Freemason, Illuminatis, and you know, but a Christians, the servants of the Most High God. Even Ghana, Christians do so. Now, even in Ghana, statistics show any majority. Now, didn't you know minority for not taking over? Now, we will check near or mining. So, why are we allowing those in the minority? Politics. And don't you know? So far as I'm working on a hundred years, I will choose and choose and choose and choose. Because my heavenly Father, on our final say, my heavenly Father, our friend Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah, on our final say, I can pony a affenti. I tell me different to me per se. I can pony a play a plan a different me per se to free. Ghana Kunyanosu. Now, I can't find it, Ebeka. As soon be a normal, Eba Pegache Christus, I won't man. It is impossible. No! I'm not possible. She, I will now be choose. Be careful about the Menyame, who the unknown Yamia choose. Now, so far, Kokumuti choose. Because now, Baby do so. Utiagra, obeti me a shell. I want to mean call a rat decra Nancy and Kosum. Timoma and Ninaho. No, you so Yame. Only choose final. And let us a different saw woman comes out now prophet so many years. Mamma and for woman myself in your let us majority. Then was you rule this nation. Our MPP, there is something in MPP that the Lord revealed to me. That is some form of a hardened heart. That is one person, about one person. Because of his heart. God often does not want to allow MPP into power. Just because of one person. Just because of one person. This one thing God doesn't want. That somebody would touch Christians or followers of Christ. So if you have any intention that when I have power, now I would rise up against a religion or a form of worship that is godly or Christianity in a nation. Even when you have it, God will take it away from you. I am saying it in a proverb, but
but it is a prophecy.
Just
because of one person.
If
NPP is not careful, they may never come back to power. Just because of one person. Just because of one vice. God looks into his heart. God realizes that if that person receives power, it will not help the cause of his people. Not the main person or the first person. If it was left to the first person or the leading person, but after this leading person has the next person or the second person who is likely to take over, that the first person would allow him to come to power after him. It will affect Christianity and to lift up another religion, and that one would have authority over Christianity and will withdraw the hand of God. And the angel of God in Ghana says, so God said, no, if this branch does not break from the tree, I will not allow